In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write code in Notion. Whether you're a programmer looking to document your project or simply someone who wants to organize snippets of code, Notion offers a streamlined way to do this efficiently. So let's dive right into it. First off, you need to be in your Notion workspace. If you're not already in Notion, go ahead and open it up. Within your workspace, you can easily create a new page where you'd like your code snippets to reside. You can do this by clicking the plus button next to any workspace section or on the left-hand sidebar. Now here's where Notion makes writing code so user-friendly. There's a fantastic feature that allows you to write, paste, embed, and review code effortlessly. This makes it an excellent tool for anyone who wants to document their code neatly. You can present your code in a way that's easy to read and manage simply by following these steps. To get started, you'll want to use the / command, which is a quick insert function in Notion. Simply type a / followed by the word code. So that's /code. As you type this out, Notion will present you with a drop-down menu. When you see the word code option on your screen, go ahead and click on it. This action will create a dedicated code block in your page. Next, you can paste your code right into this block. Once pasted, Notion will automatically format your code according to the programming language you select. That means your code isn't just sitting there as plain text, it's visually organized and much easier on the eyes. If you ever need to change the programming language for your code, Notion gives you a super simple way to do that. Just hover your cursor over the top left corner of the code block. You'll see an option to click and bring up a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find a list of languages you can choose from. Click the language that corresponds to your code. This allows you to switch the syntax highlighting in case you're working with multiple languages and need to switch things up. And just like that, you're ready to document, share, and manage your code effectively within Notion. This method is efficient and visually pleasing, making it an ideal choice for developers and tech enthusiasts alike. Thanks for following along in today's guide on writing code in Notion. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you'll start taking advantage of these features to keep your code organized and accessible. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or other Notion tips you'd like to share. Happy coding!